Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. We're watching Math with Yasir Rafat. We have to discuss 10 top most important MCQs of the circle for secondary class. Now, come to the MCQs. First MCQs here. That is the equation of a circle with center is 0, minus 5. That means HK or AB is the center here. And the diameter is 4 units. Diameter, we required R here, so we have to divide diameter with 2. We will get the radius here. And now we have the basic formula: x minus h to the whole square, y minus k to the whole square, it is equals to r square. This is the formula to find out the equation of the circle here. So this is h and this is k here. So this is 0 to the square minus 5 and 2 square means 4. So this is x square minus plus 5 equals to 4. So this means the correct option is here x square plus 5y plus equals to 4. So this is the A option is correct for first MCQs. Now come to the second point here, second MCQs here. Equation of the circle with the center at origin and the radius is 2r. If we have the center at origin, then we have the equation of the circle. It is equals to x square plus y square equals to r square. And here the radius is 2r. So that means x square plus y square will be equals to 2r to the square. So that is 4r square. So x square plus y square equals to 4r square. This is the required answer, and we have to see the option here. Equation of a circle with center at origin and the radius is 2r, so that will be equals to 4r square, or if we have to write down the complete answer, so this is x square plus y square equals to 4r square. This is the correct answer. Now come to the another MCQs, third MCQs. This circle has the center on x-axis. If it is on x-axis, then there is a y component. If we have a center, that is minus g minus f, and if it is on x-axis, that means the value of f will be equal to 0. So when the value of x is equal to 0, so we have the formula x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is the general equation of the circle. When it is on x-axis, the center of the circle is x-axis, that means the f component, that is the 0. So it means this component will be equal to 0. So the equation of the standard form will be here x square plus y square plus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. So this option will be correct, because y factor here 2fy, this factor will be equal to 0. And if it is on y-axis, then this component will be equal to 0. So for the third MCQs here, it is correct here, A option. Now, which of the following circles passes through the origin? Which of the following circle passes through the origin? When a circle or any straight line passes through the origin, there is no constant term here. So here plus 7, plus 7, plus 7, and here there is no constant term. That means this circle passes through from the origin. So whenever a circle or any straight line or circle passes through the origin, there is no constant term here. So the C option for the fourth MCQ is correct. Okay, dear students, now come to the fifth MCQs. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus fy plus c equals 0. If it is passes through the origin, then the constant term c will be equal to 0. We have discussed in detail in the fourth MCQs there. If the radius of a circle x square, we have a general equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. Then the radius will be equals to f square plus g square minus c. Remember that, dear students, in the given question here, c it is not given. Here k is given. So that means the answer of a radius in this situation will be c is equals to k. So this is the correct option. R is equals to the radius f square plus g square minus k. So that means the B option is correct for the 6th MCQs here. Now, two circles are said to be the concentric circles if they have the same center. If we have a same center like this is the circle and this is the another circle having the same center. It's called concentric. Which of the following equation is not the equation of a circle? This is 35x square, 35x square can be taken out the common to x square y square. Here this is x square y square, it is also the equation of the circle. Here x square plus 2y square. We have a different coefficient here. That means this is not the equation of the circle here. Now come to the second last MCQs. The circle x square plus y square minus 8x plus 4y plus 4 equals 0 passes through the which quadrant here? So if we have to compare this equation with the general equation, so 2g will be equals to minus 8 and 2f is equals to 4. If we have to take out the center here, so the value of g is minus 4 and the value of f is 2 and minus g it is equals to 4 and minus f it is equals to minus 2. So the center is minus 4 comma minus 2. 4 comma minus 2 means it is in center here. So that means the circle passes through the like this. That will be the first quadrant or in the fourth quadrant here. So the D option is correct. Now the center of this circle. The center of the circle general equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. So dear students, always remember that in this situation the center will be minus g minus f, not minus f minus g. So this is the minus g minus f. Dear students, we have discussed 10 important MCQs which were related to the circle here. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Rafat. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.